All right, so here we are having question B5. We are having question B5 of Science Paper 1, 2023. Okay, and the question reads, okay, and the question reads, figure B5.1, figure B5.1 a ray, shows a ray of light moving from one medium or from medium A into medium what? Medium B. Okay, so this is a figure they are talking about. We have been given this figure, and this is a ray of light which is coming from medium A, which is this part, to medium B, which is this part. Okay, I hope you are able to see. This is a ray. This is a ray of light, and this angle here is the angle of incidence. This is the incident ray, as you can see. Okay, so now let's go to the question. Question A: define refraction of light. Okay, so we have been told to define what a reflection of light is. So whenever you talk about refraction is different from reflection. Reflection is the bouncing back of a light ray as it strikes a certain medium. But when you talk of refraction, refraction is not a bouncing back, it's not the bouncing back, but it's just the bending of a light ray as it passes from one medium to another. So that is basically what refraction of light is. So refraction of light, I've said that refraction of light is the bending of what? Of the light ray, is the bending of the light ray as it passes from one medium to another. So this is a key word which is in this definition, is the bending of light as it passes from one medium to another. So that is what I want you to actually understand. Refraction is the bending of the light ray as it passes from one medium to another, and that simply means that there are two mediums. There must be two mediums, and as this ray of light, as you can see, as this ray of light passes from medium A to medium B, this ray, as you can see, has bent. It was going this direction, but it has what? It has bent. So that is a refraction of light. So now, here's the question. Question B: which medium is denser than the other? Which medium is denser than the other? So we have been given two mediums. This medium, which is medium A, and this medium, which is down here, which is medium what? Medium B. So now we have been told to identify the medium which is denser than the other. So I want you to get something. How can you tell that this medium, either medium A or medium B, is denser than the other? So there are some things which you need to know, which you need to consider. Okay, so what is that thing? So whenever you have been asked this question, consider the movement of this ray of light, the way it has bent. Consider it has either bent away from the normal, because this is the normal ray. As you can see, this end, this is the normal ray which is perpendicular to the boundary, which is this one. So this is the normal ray. So consider this ray of light, how it has bent. If it has either bent away from the normal or towards the normal. So there are two possible ways this ray actually bends. It is either it has bent towards the normal. Okay, this is the normal ray. It is either it has bent towards the normal or away from the normal, like in this case. I hope you have seen that. So what should this tell you? So whenever you see a ray of light bends away from the normal, like in our case, just know that this medium where the ray of light is coming from, this medium is denser than this medium. So whenever the ray of light bends away from the normal, after it has passed from one medium to another, then it has bent away from the normal, as you can see. Then this medium, which is medium A, where the ray of light is coming from, is denser than medium B. But whenever you see the ray of light bends towards the normal, as you can see, then just know that this medium is less denser than this medium. Okay, this medium where the ray is coming from is less denser than this. That simply means that this medium is denser than this medium. So in our case, the ray of light, as you can see, has bent away from the normal, and this tells us to say medium A is less denser, is denser than medium B. So medium B is less denser than medium what? Medium A. This one is denser than this one. So that is basically what you're supposed to know. Okay, so which medium is denser than the other? Which medium is denser than the other? Due to the fact that this ray of light has bent away from the normal, this simply means that medium A is what? Is denser than the other. So the answer here is what? Medium A. So now we have been told to justify our answer. This is very simple. I've already justified. So why have we said that medium A is denser than medium what? Medium B. So the reason is simple. It's because the ray, okay, because the ray of light has bent away from the normal. Okay, so that is the justification, as simple as that. So the reason why you have said that medium A is denser than medium B is that is due to the fact that this ray passes from medium A to medium B. This ray has bent from the normal, which is this one. So this is how simple this question was, and here you have to be given 3 marks for free of charge. So this is how we handle these questions. I hope you have gotten something. I hope you have gotten 1 or 2 things. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you click on the notification button so that whenever I upload any video, you get to know. All right, thank you.